So it
And
seems like
Did you just have your best year ever in real estate last year?
Yes, John, I have to share
Wait a
this.
minute.
Thanks for sharing.
How did you do that? I mean, everyone's business went down. How did yours go up?
Because of you, John, absolutely. So see, I have to share this. Okay. So I was doing like first 2 years in my real estate. First year I got 2 closings. The second year I got 3 closings. Third year I joined John. That year I got Master Ruby Award and it was so amazing. I made 21 sales, okay, which I thought I have to make at least one sale. He interviewed me, how much do you want? I said at least 10 sales per year. That is enough for me. So he asked me, is that enough? Yes. I said, that's more than enough. That's fine. And I never believed, and I got 21 sales and I got Master Ruby. And last year, 22, I got a note that I'm getting Emerald Award. So it crossed 10 million last year.
All right.
Amazing.
The most important thing which I got was this peer group meeting. So when I don't know anything about what I'm going to do or anything, the small things which everyone share, their wins and their problems, I learn every time. So each and every time after the class, I learn a lot. So that I use it with my clients. So that helped me. And when the offer is really tough, I used to call John, what I have to write in the offer to win it. So every time I learn and utilize it for the other people. So thanks, John. Really, it's so amazing. Even I could not believe I made it.
That's great. I'm so
After
happy
your mail, I saw, oh my God, I never thought. I thought I should be in the Ruby level. I never thought I went to the next level.
Yes. Like a huge congratulations to you.
Oh, thanks. Thank you, John.
It's maintaining a positive attitude and always be learning and be coachable. And it really goes a long way. So I appreciate you. I'm so happy for you. Very good. And your sharing this has motivated a lot of people as well, knowing that this can happen. Because some people are out there thinking, oh, the market's down, my business should be down. No, that's not true. We just change the things you do and your results will change as well. So that's great. Very exciting stuff. Okay, so if you're watching this video and you want to have results similar to Leica, just click on a link somewhere around this video, or you can go to agentwealthaccelerator.com, www.agentwealthaccelerator.com, to learn more about how you can have the same results.